Hi guys, today we're talking about something really sexy. Old kitchen drawers. I know, I'm so glad you tuned in today. But actually, I was looking all over the internet for information on how to keep old drawers intact, the ones that are in good shape like these are, but just make them a little bit more functional, make them slide in and out a little easier. The other thing I wanted to do was to install some metal sliders that would so gently with one tap let these drawers slide back in, but apparently you need enough room on the left and the right of the drawer and the bottom in order to install those kind of metal glides, and I don't have that currently on these old drawers. So I went to my friends at Rockler because anything having to do with wood, I go to them now because there's a lot of misinformation online and I don't want to make any mistakes on this kind of thing. So, because it's my kitchen. So basically what they told me that I can do is keep these drawers because they're perfectly well made. Just clean up the tracks, sand things down with, I love these sandpaper sponges because you can really get into the small crevices of things. Okay, so here is the bottom of the drawer. So right here you can see there's a wooden track and it's in really good shape. Like there's no split wood or anything. So all they told me to do is sand it down, clean off all of the dust. When that's done, I need to smother the wood track with something called paste wax, clear paste wax. Many different companies make it. Also, they said to install what these are called Tack in drawer glides. And so on either side of the drawer, I'm going to put these on, and these will help guide the drawer a little bit easier in and out. These drawers, when I pull them all the way out, they start shifting left and right because there's nothing to guide them from the back. So I found these things called adjustable drawer guides. Adjustable drawer guides. And we're going to attach this to the back of the drawer, and then it will help guide the drawer all the way down the center track. Let's give this a whirl. Okay, it's time to see if all of our little tips make these drawers slide in any easier. I've sanded the wood tracks. I've added the plastic glides. I waxed the wooden track here with paste wax. And now with all of these tips, let's see if the drawers slide in any easier. I'm very confident that it will. Okay, so I know it doesn't sound like a big deal, but it's a big improvement. Okay, it's coming together, right, you guys? And look how cute these poles are. I got them from Etsy, and they hand make them in the Midwest. I will include that link in the description for you. And let's try one more drawer to go. There's one more tip that I want to share with you that has really helped me through the years, and that is to cover my existing ugly contractor tiled floor in the kitchen with rubber garage tiles. Let me just show you. I get down on my level. That I call this category of DIY for the moment fixes. For the moment fixes are ad hoc design solutions that are easy on the wallet, easy to install, and are portable. You can take them with you when you're done with them. And that's exactly what these tiles are. No adhesive necessary, they just click together. And when I'm done and when I finally decide what to do with these floors, I can remove the floor tiles and use them elsewhere. I've maintained this rubber flooring for my kitchen. It's been about 6 years now. So they still look really great. And I love that the interlocking floor tile is made in the USA. I know a lot of people use adhesive floor tiles and everything, and I just haven't had success with them. They're either too aggressively sticky or not enough, and they start peeling and they look terrible, and they're not cheap. So you end up paying almost as much as you would pay to buy tile. It's really easy to cut the rubber to fit the floor. You can use regular caulking to smooth and fill out any gaps that are between the flooring and the wall. And these end pieces you would buy separately, and they would finish off the raw edges of the flooring. The rubber also adds a sound barrier to a kitchen. So like on a ceramic floor, there's a lot of clicking, clacking of your heels. And in an apartment or in a smaller dwelling where you're close to your neighbors, sometimes the sound barrier is not a bad thing. I hope you give some of these tips a whirl in your place. Thanks so much for joining me here at Nutshell Living. See you next time. Bye.